Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us crewmate skin of my cat Miami. Now, Miami's somewhere around the house right now, I'm not too sure, but I do have my old cat Sasha here with me. Now, usually when I'm drawing a video or coloring or usually doing anything in my studio, Sasha is always here with me. And Sasha's pretty special because she is actually over 20 years old. I've had her ever since I was in 7th grade, and that was a long, long time ago. So even though Miami can't be with us, we do have Sasha here with us. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video, and if you have any other different Among Us crewmate skins you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know and I'll try my best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with my drawing of an Among Us version of my cat Miami, we're going to start with the little face shield. So we're going to begin right here, and we just want to draw a little line that's going to go out, and then it's going to curve back. Next, we're going to take this, and we're just going to go out with a curve, and then come right to here. Now, starting right here, pretty far out, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to stop right about there. And right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and then we'll come up. Right here, we're going to make a little line that curves over. We're going to go down. We're going to come over. And then right here, we're going to bring this line up. And we'll leave the space right here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down to here. And then right over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come to a point and then down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to make a little curve right over here. Now, starting kind of at the middle point of the face shield, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to go out, it's going to come down, and then come back in like this. Then finally, we want to add the tail. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to kind of make an S shape. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around. We're going to go down, and I'm just going to follow this shape, and we're going to bring it all the way down to here. Then one of the last things we want to do is I'm going to draw a couple little lines over here on this side for some whiskers. And we'll draw a few little lines over here on this side for some whiskers. And there you go. There is your simple drawing of a cat Among Us skin. Now, when I color this, I'm going to make this look like my cat Miami. But now that you have kind of the basic shape, you can make it look like any cat you want to. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.